Did you know Windows 11 has a secret feature called GodMode? Simply create a new folder and rename it using this special code. Once activated, you'll get access to over 200 advanced Windows settings in a single place. It's like unlocking a hidden control panel that Microsoft rarely talks about. Instead of opening dozens of windows on one screen, Windows 11 lets you create multiple virtual desktops and switch between them instantly. One of the most useful hidden features in Windows 11 is Clipboard History. Normally, when you copy something and then copy another item, the first one is lost. But with Clipboard History, Windows can store multiple copied items at the same time. Simply press Windows plus V and you'll see a list of everything you recently copied, including text, links, and images. You can then select any item from the list and paste it instantly. This feature is perfect for students, office workers, content creators, and anyone who frequently copies and pastes information. Once you start using Clipboard History, you'll wonder how you ever work without it. Hi everyone! Did you know that Windows 11 can type for you? Instead of using the keyboard, you can simply speak into your microphone, and Windows will automatically convert your voice into text. This feature is perfect for students, content creators, and anyone who wants to save time while typing. Let's see how accurate it is in real time. Snap Layouts is one of the best hidden features in Windows 11. Simply hover your mouse over the Maximize button of any window, and you'll see different layout options. Choose a layout, place your window, and Windows will automatically help you organize the rest of your apps. It's a quick and easy way to multitask, stay organized, and boost your productivity. Did you know that Windows 11 can connect directly to your smartphone? With Phone Link, you can send messages, receive calls, view notifications, and even access your photos without touching your phone.
One of the most useful hidden features in Windows 11 is the Xbox Game Bar. Many people think it's only for gamers, but it can actually be used by anyone. You can quickly record your screen, take screenshots, monitor your computer's performance, and even control audio settings without opening extra software. To open Game Bar, simply press Windows plus G on your keyboard. If you want to start recording your screen instantly, press Windows plus Alt plus R. This is very useful for creating tutorials, recording gameplay, or capturing important moments on your PC. The Game Bar also includes tools to view FPS, CPU usage, GPU usage, and memory usage in real time. Since it comes built into Windows 11, you don't need to install any third-party recording applications, making it a simple and powerful feature that many users don't know about. Need a screenshot quickly? Just press Windows plus Shift plus S. You can capture a selected area, a specific window, or your entire screen. The screenshot is copied instantly, making it one of the fastest tools built into Windows 11. Windows 11 has several hidden security features that many users don't know about. Memory integrity helps protect your system from advanced malware attacks, while Smart App Control blocks dangerous and untrusted applications before they can run. You can also enable ransomware protection to safeguard your personal files from cyber threats. These powerful security features run quietly in the background and help keep your PC safe.
Other video ikin panab Windows ekaloi secret features walin oita video kamati feature ek comment karan video ek honday nam like karan channel ek subscribe karan bell icon ek click karan. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.